Are you looking for an image generator that allows you to create product images using OpenAI and provides an option to create prompt templates? Well, that being said, we are introducing our new module which enables seamless integration of OpenAI Image Generator into your Akeneo PIM. Hi, my name is Vaibhav, and in this video we are going to explore the functionalities of our new module, Akeneo AI Image Generator. But before that, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest content. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. So now we are on the admin and dashboard of the Akeneo, and from here we'll be navigating to the left navigation bar, and from here we'll be able to see the AI image. We'll click on it, and here we are navigated to the document section. Under the documentation, we are able to see the credential configuration. So from here, we can get the credential API credentials from the OpenAI account. So these steps are mentioned here. You just have to open the OpenAI account, and once logged in, you head towards the left navigation bar to get the API keys. And most importantly, once the API keys are generated, you have to configure the read and write permissions for the models and the model capability resources. Then you have to simply add the credentials in the Akeneo account. So we'll be explaining the features of this module. Firstly, we'll be moving to the credentials part, then to the prompts. And later we'll see how these prompts will work with the products. So firstly, we'll moving to the credential section. I'll click on it. So once you have entered the credential section, you are able to see the add credential on the right top corner. We'll click on add credential. So as we have already created an OpenAI account and already created the APIs, so I'll just enter a name here and enter the API key. We'll click on save. So now the Akeneo API key has been added here, and its status is disabled. So from the right corner, we'll be able to see these three options for the edit, delete, and status to enable and disable the credentials. We'll click on enable. So the action has been performed and the credentials has been activated. So now we'll be moving to the prompt section. Here we have already created some of the prompts and enabled one of the prompt here. We can also add new prompt from clicking on the right corner add prompt button. So here we get the option to add the prompt. We'll enter a name here, then followed by the model, which is set as DALL E3 default, and also we have the option to select the DALL E2, which I'll be explaining further in this video. Then we have the option to add a prompt. So basically, we have to write some of the sentences to elaborate how we want the AI to generate the pictures, and also we have the option to add the attribute itself, so that it becomes easy whenever a product is being opened, so that it can easily generate the AI image based on that. That I'll also show once we click on the edit prompt. Next up, we have the image size, image quality, and image style. So these options will be getting in the DALL E3 default option, and other one is DALL E2 that I'll show in the edit part of the prompts. So now we have one of the prompt which is enabled. We have the option for edit, delete, set its status as enabled or disabled, and then the option to set it as default or not. So once I have clicked on this prompt, it is already set as default Dell E3, and I have already written one prompt here for the uh, creation of the AI image. Like I have entered here, generate a realistic product mockup for name. I have added this attribute name by clicking at the rate. So I'll just quickly show that how you can also write this. So you just have to click shift at the rate, and then you will be able to see all the attributes available. We have selected name here. So here the prompt says generate a realistic product mockup for name, which allow customers to envision the product before making a purchase. So followed by the image size. So in Dell E3 default, we get these three sizes, which is 1024 by default, and then followed by this, and the next up we have the 1792 into 1024. Then we can also set the image quality, which is set as standard for default. Also, we can select as HD. We'll go for the default one. And next up, we have the image style, which is set as vivid and natural. So maybe, vivid only gives us a dynamic and creates some good images that which is very eye-catching for the customers. So we'll click on vivid for this and click save. So now the prompt is saved, and we'll be moving to the product section to showcase how it will be creating the images. So we'll open one of the products here. Scrolling down, we have the media section. Here we see the picture and the option to generate using AI. We'll click on it. So here we are able to see the prompt template that which is enabled here. If you have enabled multiple prompts, that will be shown here, and the prompt text. So as of now, we have set the attribute as sunglass name. So here it has already taken the product name as sunglasses. So this is how the attribute one will work, or you can directly mention the name of the product as well. Next up, we have the models. So Dell E3 is by default selected. Its image size is selected as this, and the image quality and image style as vivid default. So we'll click on generate now. It will take a little time to load the image. So after the successful completion of generating the image, this is how the results will be. As you're able to see, it has created a beautiful picture of sunglasses with the help of AI. We'll click on confirm and save the product. So this is how the Dell E3 default will work, and the prompt have worked perfectly, added the name with the attribute and created a picture of this sunglasses product. Now moving back to the AI image prompts, we'll click on this prompt again, and here we'll select the model as Dell E2. So from here you will be able to understand the difference between the Dell E3 and the Dell E2. Once clicked on Dell E2, you are able to see the same things here: model, prompt, image size. But here's the main difference you will get to see. So you are able to see the different image sizes are available here. But for as of now, we are selecting the default one. And the major difference here is that we can add number of images. So maximum we can select up to 5, and by default it is set as 1. We'll click on 3 here to see how it works. Already we have added the prompt text, like generate a realistic product mockup with the name of the product, which will allow the customers to envision the product before making a purchase. So now we'll click on save. As you are able to see that we have successfully edited the prompt, and now back on the products page, we'll open another product here and scroll it down to the media section. Under the media section, we are able to see the picture section, and we'll have the option to generate using AI. We'll click on it. So again, we are able to see the prompt template, prompt text, and it has already taken the name of the attribute products hat. And next up, we have the models. So we have selected Dell E2 now, and the image size will be default 1024 into 1024. And next up, we have the number of images, which is set to 3. So this will be creating 3 images for the product here. We'll click on generate. Again, it will take some time to load. We'll wait for it. So yeah, this is how the generate images with AI will work. It has all perfectly created 3 images of hats, and we have the option to select one and click on confirm. So image has been assigned successfully, and we'll click on save here. So yeah, this is how you can edit any product and add the images with the help of Akeneo AI Generator, and also you can perform the same actions while creating a new product as well. So yeah, this is pretty much about the Akeneo AI Image Generator and how you can add the credentials, prompts, and select between the models, different models. Well, that's all about the functionalities of the module. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.